Hello world. So guess what today is? Today is Friday, the 5th of May. Today is the day that I finally get to see my beautiful fiance after a whole month of being apart. Just got done at the gym. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, but Caitlin's supposed to get in at 10 into Dublin, but her flight from Dallas is delayed, so she might not make her connecting flight, which is gonna be a bit of a problem, but not that much of a problem. We're hoping that she can get a flight like an hour later, but it's just a stress that we don't really need, because today's a big day. We got a lot of stuff going on, got a lot of appointments booked to get ready for our wedding. Anyway, I am out for now. I'm gonna go home, get changed, get showered. So, peace. So I'm at the airport now. It is 12:05. Caitlin missed her flight because of that delay that I was talking about earlier, and then she didn't get on the flight that I thought she would, which was only an hour later, and so she got on a later flight, which is supposed to get in for 12, but that is also delayed. It isn't getting in until 12:20. So, but we're here, we're waiting. Should be coming through these doors any minute now. Thanks.
Oh, I was gonna take it from you. Not for one. We did 3 of those. Well, it says 3 flavors. Let's just get it for all 3.
Oh my gosh. There's too much options here.
Can I get a cone with 2 scoops? People like standing in the back, like we've never been here before.
I've never been here.
It's not a tour.
Okay, so we're in Dublin, and this is Hey. She said she loves John Tucker Must Die. My favorite movie.
Walking through the streets of Dublin right now.
Yeah, how late is it?
It's not too late. It's like about 9. I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of late. Anyway, it's been a really good day. We had 5 Guys burger joint, and then we got gelato. And guess who shared a gelato? We shared one.